welcome back to my YouTube channel. I made it. I'm in Accra, Ghana. Hey guys, so we made it to the airport and now we are on our way to the DC area where we will catch our connecting flight to Accra. So it is time for breakfast and we are on a United first class flight and their breakfast was really good. I was really impressed. Alright guys, we're in Dulles Airport. So we are waiting on our flight from Dulles, Washington to Accra. So we have my mom and then my sister and of course me. And yep, so we're all headed to Africa. We're super excited. So we made it to Accra, we took our COVID test, we made it through customs, everything was relatively smooth, and now we're just on our way to our hotel. Alright, so we're in front of the salon. Hi. And what? She has something to say but she doesn't want to say it. Alright, we're just gonna go take some photos. They have a lot of open gutters here and my sister almost fell into one, so
It's not that big. I could jump it.
She's gonna jump over the gutter. If she falls in, I'm gonna keep this in the video for maximum views.
All right, y'all ready? Yeah.
Alright guys, we're about to get our nails and toes done. Hi. We're at Park in the City and they have a salon, they have a grocery store, and they have a grill. So we went to the grocery store and got some essentials. And we're gonna go back in and just hang out for a little bit, unwind, and then we will figure out what we're gonna do for the night. All right, we are at breakfast and we're about to eat something. And this is our dinner for the evening. Okay guys, so we are in what I believe is going to be our living arrangements for the week. So we were supposed to be staying in another place, which is this place's sister property. However, we are here. So we're just gonna roll with the Ghana flow and see what happens. So this is our entryway. And This is the living area. Some people are enjoying the living area very much. There are 2 bedrooms. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is our bedroom. I think this is like a king size bed, which is pretty nice. I thought it was gonna be too like queen size, but this is a king size, so that's pretty nice. And then that's the bathroom, shower, sink area. And then the other bedroom is pretty identical. And this is the other bedroom, same king size bed and bathroom. And that's it, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It comes with also a washer and dryer combo, which is here that someone is standing in front of. We have our little charger station set up. And then we went to the grocery store earlier and we picked up some snacks. We got some sweet plantain chips and then also some regular plantain chips. And then in the fridge, we got some American drinks, some Fantas, and then we got this Happy Day pink guava drink. We got a couple of leftovers in the refrigerator, and then we got some water. And that's it. So this is our place for the week in Accra. All right. So we're on the grounds of the W.E.B. Du Bois Museum. As you can see, they kept the grounds very lovely. And that's the mausoleum behind us. So very touching and moving tour that I enjoyed a lot. And I recommend anybody to come and visit this museum. We're standing on the top of a building, and behind us you can see how busy this market is. I will not fall, I promise. This is the largest open air market in Ghana, in Accra, sorry, in Accra. So yes, they are busy making dollars. So we're at the Kwame Nkrumah National Museum. He was the first Prime Minister of Ghana when they gained their independence. So now we are at the Arts and Crafts Center in Accra.
Ajua sister. Ajua Monday born.
We are at a restaurant called Aquaba, and we are going to eat a little food and drink. So we got some jollof rice with fish and a salad. So now we're just walking up the stairs. We're gonna go to the top. I made it up the stairs. I can't believe it. Hi, so I am so happy that my family and I actually made it to Africa, to Ghana, to Accra. We are so happy to actually be home. Like, even though this is not where we live on a day-to-day, this is where we came from. This is where our people came from. Our ancestors were taken away from here and never to return, but we returned for them. Oh, wow. So we are excited to be in Accra. What have you thought about your experience so far?
Yes, very nice.
What have you ladies thought about your experience so far?
We loved it. It's been informative and fun and a little bit hot, but also perfect. The humidity. It's like great. I'm glowing. I don't know. It's been great so far. We've only been here 2 days, so I don't have like the full.
And what did you think about your tour people today?
Annoying, crazy.
Honestly speaking, they're very awesome, beautiful family, and yeah, I really love their vibe and their drink.
Okay.
Right.